The New York City area just had an earthquake this afternoon, just after noon. It was actually centered in New Jersey, just to the southwest of Hillsdale. But this is the second one. They had one back on the 2nd of August, just to the south. That was actually a larger one, 3.0. This one was 2.7 magnitude, and it was only about 7 or 8 miles deep. Now, the shallower that number, the more you're going to feel it on the surface. There are about 20 million people in that area, and it was reported to be felt in New York City. No injuries or damage have been reported.